Tehran is laughing, Washington is silent, and the battlefield has a new symbol of humiliation, the Shahed 136 drone. You're watching TimesXP. My name is Rithiyatri, and we are talking about this because this particular week, Iran said something really bold, kind of mocking, kind of politically explosive that has sent shockwaves across military circles. America has kneeled before Iranian drones. Yes, that's the line Iranian media is celebrating. A direct jab at the United States and US President Mr. Donald Trump. So, what triggered this Iranian celebration? Well, reports in Washington suggest that the US is now fielding low-cost, one-way attack drones that look suspiciously similar to Iran's famous Shahed 136. The same kamikaze drones used by the Houthis, Hezbollah, and Russian forces in Ukraine. They are cheap, they are simple, they are deadly and extremely hard to stop. Iran looked at the new US designs and said, looks familiar, doesn't it? Then enters the IRGC Brigadier General, Abul Fazl Shekarchi. He didn't resist. He went on live television and he declared, self-proclaimed technological superpowers are kneeling before the Iranian drone and copying it. Not hinting here, not implying, saying it directly on the face. Now to Iran, this is a proof that its drone program has matured from a sanctioned era survival system into a global military trendsetter. But you know why this is such a big deal? Because for years, the US officials mocked Iranian drones. They said that it is too cheap, too basic, too garbage made. But on the battlefield, those same drones have attacked oil tankers, they have hit Saudi's infrastructure, slipped past American defenses, and overwhelmed billion-dollar air defense system. Houthis use Iranian-style drones to shut down Red Sea operations. Militias use them in Iraq, Syria to hit US bases. Russia used them in Ukraine to drain Western missile stockpile. And now the US is reportedly designing similar system. Iran calls it the ultimate admiration. He said that America's new drone push isn't innovative, it's desperation. He argued that when your expensive Western weapons cannot stop Houthis, cannot stop our allies, you copy the technology that defeated you. A brutal statement, but one designed for maximum political effect. The message Iran wants the world to hear is this: Iran is no longer a junior player in drone warfare. It is shaping modern conflict, it is setting the trend, and even superpowers like the US are forced to follow. Now, whether that particular claim is true or exaggerated here, the psychological game, it is clear. Iran is selling confidence. America is being painted as humbled. But the reality? US defense officials aren't kneeling. They are adapting, recognizing that cheap, disposable drones are now more valuable on the battlefield than expensive jets and missiles. But at least here they have technology to make it. But you know what? Iran has turned this adaptation into a propaganda goal. And so the drone war evolves with pride, mockery, and the new battle for global technology leadership. Because in today's conflict, the world isn't watching the fighter jets. It's watching small, buzzing drones and the countries fighting to dominate them.